So you think that the Delhi pollution levels have direct impact on children's health as well?
Absolutely, more because the children breathe much faster. They also are nearer to the ground, so the pollutants are always nearer to the ground. And of course, the early childhood development, like we're speaking, world over, there's a huge lot of conversations. A very critical conversation is that from 0 to 5 years, whatever your development is, it gets immensely, deteriorated or hindered by air pollution, which is, mostly cognitive development. And this is the damage that happens in the first 5 years or 8 years is much more than the rest of your whole life.
What, according to you, are the immediate steps that the government should take to curb pollution right now in Delhi?
So they have to immediately on war footing. They have to correct every single mistake that's been done now or from before, and which is the most important is the direction that they're going in is creating pollution and then cleaning it up, which is absolutely wrong because even like you saw the smog towers, how they failed. So you create pollution, you want to put a smog tower, you create pollution, then you want to do cloud seeding. So this thought process itself is wrong. You have to work on the sources of pollution,
All right.
which is every source, vehicular, construction, industrial, waste. So every source of pollution is important, and you cannot afford to do mistakes in the most polluted city of the world.
Don't forget to subscribe and follow us.